Hey everyone, I'm FAQ Fred, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your transmission fluid in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Start your car and let it run for a few minutes to warm up the engine. Step 2. Locate the transmission dipstick. It is typically located near the back of the engine and is labeled transmission, or ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Step 3. Pull out the dipstick and wipe it clean with a rag or paper towel. Step 4. Reinsert the dipstick all the way back in and then pull it back out to check the level of fluid. Make sure the fluid is between the add and full marks on the dipstick. Step 5. If the fluid level is low, add more fluid until it reaches the full mark. Be careful not to overfill, as this can cause damage to your transmission. Step 6. If the fluid appears dirty or has a burnt smell, it may be time to get your transmission serviced. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily check your transmission fluid and prevent costly repairs down the line. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more helpful videos like this one.